I am your facilitator, Judith, and I'll be taking you through phonics. Good. So I hope you have your pencils, your book, and your erasers. If you know you have them, sit, relax, and pay attention. Now, let's move on to our topic for the day. Sounds of the alphabet, group 2. Remember I told you we are going with the Jolly Phonics grouping. We did the group 1 and we started with the group 2. So we are going to continue with the group 2 of the Jolly Phonics. So these are our indicators for this lesson. By the end of the lesson, you, my viewer, will be able to 1. Make the sound of the letter E. 2. Identify the sound of the letter E in given words. So at this moment, I hope you have your pencils, your book, and your eraser. You sit, pay attention, okay, and participate in whatever we are doing, okay? Good. I'm just so excited to meet you. So before we move on, our favorite part, my favorite part, your favorite part. And do you know our favorite part? Yes, story time. Good. So sit back, relax, and enjoy our story. And I hope you take note of our sound because it always comes in a story. Good. So this is a story. It is almost the end of the year. Eric and his family have gone to stay on 10-acre farm for 7 days holiday. Every morning, they get up early to watch the cows being milked. After that, Eric likes to help with the farm chores. He helps fetch buckets of water from the well. Then, he pours the water into troughs for the cows to drink. Then, Eric helps to feed the hens and collect the eggs. He takes the eggs into the kitchen for breakfast. Early, the farmer's wife cracks open the egg by tapping their shell on the side of the pan. Then, everyone eats fried eggs for breakfast. Eric is always happy to hear the sound. Good. Are you also happy to hear the egg sound? Good. So Eric is always happy to hear the sound. So this brings us to our topic or our lesson for the day. So our lesson for the day is the sound Letter E gives us the sound or letter E makes the sound So can you say the after me? Good. So when I say it, then you say it, okay? That is very good. So let's go. And the last time, good. So that is letter E for you. Letter E is having 2 sounds. Okay, but we are looking at one for now. And then as we go, we will learn the other ones. Okay, good. So letter E makes the sound Now let's move on and look at some words with the sound So the first one I would like us to look at is eggs. Eggs. I know you enjoy egg. Fried egg, boiled egg, egg stew. Most of you enjoy that. So egg, egg, as in egg, as in eggs. Good. The next one, as in 10, as in 10. And the next one, as in net, as in net. Good. Can you hear the sound in these words? That is very good. Now let's move on. So the next word, as in hen, as in hen. The next one, as in bell, as in bell. And the next one, as in web, as in web. Good. Let's move on and take a look at more words with the sound e. So the next picture or the next word is leg. So as in leg. Can you touch your leg? Good. That is your leg. That is very good. So leg has the sound in it. Okay. So as in leg. And the next one, as in belt. The boys normally wear belts on their waist. Okay. They use belts for their trousers, their shorts, and then some ladies also use belts. So as in belt. And the next one, as in neck. The arrow is pointing to the neck. I see the arrow is pointing at the neck. So as in neck. Good. That is very good. So we looked at eggs, 10, net, hen, bell, web, leg, belt, and then neck. These words, they all have the sound in them. Okay, good. Now, can we now move on and identify the pictures that have the sound in them? Are you ready? Good. That is very good. Let's move on. So number 1, I have a car, and then number 2, pegs. Car, pegs. So you write down the words with the sound Okay, good. That is very good. So 1, car, and then 2, pegs. Number 3, camel. Number 3, camel. Number 4, snail. Number 4, snail. Number 5, apple. Remember, I said the sound, not the letter. Okay, so sometimes you can see the letter E, but it doesn't give us the sound E. So you take note of the sound, not the letter. Okay, remember I also told you letter E has 2 sounds, and then we are going to treat that one in our next lesson. Okay, so for now, number 5 is apple. Number 6, nest. So you listen to the one with the sound E. Okay, good. So apple, and then nest. So the red arrow is pointing at The nest. Nest. Number 7. Well. Well. Number 8. Clock. Clock. Number 9. Bend. Bend. And then number 10. Pen. Pen. I hope you are writing down your correct answers. Good. Now let's go over them again. So we have car and then pets. Which of these have the sound E? And then camel and snail. Camel and snail. Number 5, apple and nest. Number 7, well and clock. Number 9, bend. And then number 10, which is the final one, pen. So I hope you've written down your correct answers. Good, that is very good. So you take a picture as usual and you let mommy send them to me, or daddy or uncle, auntie, big brother or big sister send them to me, okay? Good. So now let's move on and identify the pictures that have the sound E. These are the answers I'm expecting from you. No cheating, you just take the correct answer, okay? Good, that is very good. Now let's move on. So, pegs. Pegs. There's E in pegs. So the correct answer is pegs. The next one, camel. Camel. Is there. Male. And then you add the O to it and you get your male. Camel. So there's E in camel. Nest. Nest. So there's E in nest. The next one, well. There's E in well. Good. And then the next one, bend. Bend. So there's E in bend. And then the last one, pen. There's E in pen. Pen. Good. That is very good. I can see you did very well. Some of you are cleaning some of your work. You don't have to clean it. Just that you do the correct thing. Okay. That is very good. Now let's move on. Now, in activity 2, we'll fill in the missing sound using E. Okay? We are going to fill in the missing sounds. Okay? Are you ready? Your pencils or your pen, your books, and then your eraser. Okay? Good. So the first one, belt. So what is the second sound? Belt. Good. Number 2, camel. Good. Let's move on. Number 3, X. So you write the missing sound. Okay. X. Number 4, bell. I have my b and I have my but I need a sound so I can get the full spelling. Okay, I need bell and just have the b and the So which sound are we going to put there to get our bell? Good, you thought right. That is very good. The next one, what's the second sound you can hear? Hen. Hen. I have my h and I have my but I don't have the middle sound. So which sound am I going to put in the middle to spell the word hen? Number 6, net. Net. So what's the second sound you hear in net? Net. So net. Good, good. That's very good. Good. So I asked you to fill in the missing letters for belt, camel, egg, bell, hen, and then net. So these are my expected answers. Answers I'm expecting you to give me, okay? So fill in the missing sound using e. So we have belt. Number 2, camel. Number 3, X. Number 4, bell. Number 5, hen. Number 6, net. Good, I hope you had it right. Okay, now let's move on and read some sentences, okay, with the sound e in them, okay? Good, so here we go. Get the pet. Get the pet. The pet is in the net. The pet is in the net. The man cut the net. The hen is wet. It is a red hen. The net is on one leg. 10 men are in a den. The man begged on one leg. Okay, so you're going to read this and then you send me the voice notes. Yes, I want to hear you read, okay? I love it when I hear your voice and I hear you both read, okay? Good. Now, get, pet. These two words, they have the sound e in them. Pet, net, men, net, hen, wet, red, hen, hen, leg, 10, men, den, men, begged. If you take notes, we highlighted the first E, which is E, but we did not highlight the second one. So that means the first one gives the sound E, but the second one does not. Okay, so that's why we don't say begged. Okay, that's why we just say begged. So I'll tell you why in our next lessons. Okay, so begged and then leg. So these words, they all have the sound E in them. If I do not highlight it, it means that particular E there does not give us the sound E. Okay? Good. So those with the sound E are the highlighted ones. Okay? So you take note of those ones. Okay? Good. That is very good. So remember to record it, you remember to make a voice note, and then you send them to me, this particular one. Okay, good. So now let's move on to our assignment for the day. Good. So for my preschoolers, yes, I love you people, my Nursery 2, Nursery 1, okay, Nursery 1, Nursery 2, KG1, and then the seniors, KG2. I just love you people, and I always love it when you send in your work. So, with the help of your parents or guardian, draw 2 pictures of the words that have the sound E in them. Okay, good. Now for basic 1 and basic 2, with the help of your parents or guardian, draw and name 3 pictures of words that have the sound E in them. And then you use these words to form a simple sentence. Can you do that for me? Yes, that is very good. And then for basic 3, with the help of your parents or guardian, draw and name 5 pictures of the words that have the sound E in them. And then when you finish drawing and naming the words or the pictures, you draw a picture, then you name it, then you use those words to form 5 simple sentences. Can you do that? So for preschoolers, you draw 2 pictures of the words that have the sound E. Okay? In the basic 1 and 2, you draw a name. You draw the picture, and after that you write the name of the picture and just 3. And then when you finish, you use those words to form 3 simple sentences for me. Okay? And then for basic 3 are seniors. Yes, you are the senior for lower primary, like basic 3 are the seniors on our blog. So you draw and name 5 pictures. So you draw the picture, and then after that you name the picture. Okay, and then you use those 5 words to form 5 simple sentences. Can you do that for me? Good, that is very good.